In front of me is OPPO Ace2 and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by launching recorder and using standard option. To pick one of those modes, standard, meeting or interview. Click on the best one and when you're ready, use red button to start recording. You can use the same one to pause it or unpause it. Click on the left one to add a bookmark or on the right one to add a photo mark. To delete your recording right away, tap on this X at the top left corner. To end it and save it though, on the check mark at the top right one. Then name it and hit save. To play it, click on it, and to manage it, use all of those options. To find even more, click on those three dots at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!